Hey, right, it's another Lick Friday. Yes, it is. This week is a request of a stadium-ish, easy-ish style lick. I think the request was kind of worded in the way of an easy stadium or simple stadium style lick. It's in the key of C# minor. Uses the natural minor scale in its entirety for this one, coming down one, maybe two shapes. And there's a nice control of bends to be had within the lick itself. If you do like this video, please stick around, because there is a jamming track for that track that's coming up in a second, which I'm jamming over at the end of the video, or you can find it linked below. But please hit that bell button, subscribe button, wrong order, and share it with all your friends on social media to help push this channel along. Comment below with anything you would like to see here, or problems with this, technique issues you want to talk about. Just go ahead, comment, that's all good. And super thanks if you really want to. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to leave you with the lick coming up right now. And there it was. So it's an easy-ish lick, apart from the last part where you're using the 6 tuplets as you come down the lick. So I would recommend alternate picking big time for that. Just do what you can with it, enjoy it, play it as fast or as slow as you want, and chop it about. Pick out bits that you really enjoy playing. So C natural minor, C sharp natural minor, C pentatonic, C blues, they're all going to work over the jamming track at the end of the video. And yeah, please subscribe, like, share, all that sort of stuff. Right, nice one, cool. Breakdown coming up now. Your semitone bend at the beginning is your first note of the 11th fret on that first string. So bend it up, let it down, or bring it down and strike it, adding vibrato to the 9th fret on that same string, to the 12th fret second string. Then the next section is 12th fret that you were just on, second string, full tone bend, bring it down, hit it again, add vibrato. Then you've got another semitone bend, same string, this time 9th fret. And the same thing, bend it up, and strike it when you come down on it. Coming down this descending part, we start with the pull off from the 12th to the 11th, this first string. Then you've got a run of 14, 12 and then 10 on the second string. And then it's 14, 12, 10, 9, like that. And then you've got 12, 10 and then 9 and then 11 on that third string. Then you go 10, 9 on the second string, and then 11 and 9 on the third string, just like that. Then it's going to be fret 9 and then the 11, the 9 and then the 8 on that third string, and then back to the 11, 9 and 8, and then it goes coming straight down the actual natural minor, which is the 11, 9, 8, 11, 9, 7, 11, 9, 7, 11, 9, 7, finishing with the root note C sharp on that thick string. I hope that made sense. So yes, there we are. I'll hand you back to me at the end. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. The jamming track's coming up in just a second, but before we jump into that, I bid you all farewell. Thank you very much, and please do like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it on all your social media.